Start with the first chapter, Shapes and Space. The subtopic is Inside, Outside. There's a little story here, the Arab and his camel. It was a cold winter day. The Arab was traveling on the camel's back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent and went inside it. The camel was outside. So we can see in the picture that it was a cold winter day and the Arab was inside the tent and the camel was outside the tent. It was very cold. Then the camel said that, "May I put my neck inside? It is too cold outside." Then the Arab said, "Okay, you may put your neck inside." Next, in the next picture you can see the camel asked again, "May I put my front leg inside? It is too cold outside." The Arab said, "Okay, you may put your front leg inside." And then in the next picture you can see that, "Can I come inside? It is too cold outside." The Arab said, "Oh no, the tent is too small for both of us." Then the next picture shows, the last picture, the camel says, "So I am coming inside and you go outside." And the Arab went outside. So this is a short story. Now we come to the main part, that is bigger and smaller. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller? We can identify. These are the sums. So the first one is, tick the bigger one. What is this animal? This is hippopotamus. And this one is a puppy, dog. So you can see that which one is bigger. The hippopotamus, the first picture is larger in size or bigger in size, and the next picture is smaller. It's a dog puppy. So we have to give a tick on hippopotamus, that is this picture. Okay. Next is, which one is smaller? Tick the smaller. Smaller is, we can see the second picture, this one is smaller and this one is bigger. This one is bigger and this one is smaller. So we will give a tick on the smaller one. So again, which one is smaller? This one. So we have given a tick. Next is this picture. In this picture we can see a cow. In the next image, this one is a cow, this one is a cow, and this one is a squirrel. This is a cow and this is a squirrel. So which one will be bigger? Which one will be smaller? A cow or the squirrel? The squirrel will be smaller. So this is smaller. So we have given a tick on the smaller one. Next is, take the smaller tire. Which one is the smaller tire? This one or this one? The first one or the second one? The first one is the smaller tire. You can see the first one is a smaller tire, so we have to give a tick on this. So we have completed this subtopic, bigger and smaller. Next is the biggest, smallest. Biggest and smallest, these are the superlative degree. That means in adjective in English we used to see, we know that big, bigger, biggest. Biggest is the superlative degree of big. That means among three, when it is more than two, we say biggest. So take the smallest tree. It is given, take the smallest tree. So smallest tree means, which one is smallest? among the three trees, the first image is smallest. So we have to give a tick on the smallest one. This we have done. Then tick the biggest animal. Which one is the biggest animal? The dog. The first one is the dog. Then is the squirrel. Then is the squirrel. This is the elephant. This is the elephant. This is the dog. So which one is the biggest animal? Among it is elephant is the biggest animal. So we have given a tick on the elephant. Which one is the smallest fruit? The first fruit is mango. This is the mango. This is a cherry, and this is a watermelon. So among these three fruits, which one is the smallest fruit? The cherry. The cherry is the smallest fruit. So we have to give a tick on the smallest one. So we have done it. Thus, take the biggest bubble. The boy is given. We can see here there are so many bubbles. So which one is the biggest? The biggest bubble is this one. So we have given a tick on it. So this is the biggest bubble. Biggest bubble. Now we come up to the next part, that is the top bottom. Top means in this picture it is very clear that this boy is sitting at the top of this slip and this boy is in the bottom. So it is written, see, the bird is on the top of the tree and the cat is at the bottom. So we have got an idea about which one is top and which one is bottom. Now we can say that tick the pot on the top. Tick the pot on the top. So which pot is on the top? This pot. We have given a tick on it. Next one is tick the animal at the bottom of the stairs. Which animal is in the bottom of the stair? This is the top part and this is the bottom part. So this is the bottom and this is the top. So we will give a tick on the bottom. So we have given a tick on the bottom. Next is nearer and farther. Nearer means closer and farther means away from some place, away. So tick the bird nearer to home. That means the bird which is very close to home. We can see, look at the picture and see here that the bird, which bird is very close to the home? This pink color bird. This bird is very close to home and this is away from home. So this is the bird which is very close to home. So we can give a tick on the bird which is nearer to home. We have given a tick on it. Next is tick the cat farther from the tree. That means away from the tree. Which cat is away from the tree? Look here. The tree is here and this cat is nearer to tree. And there is another cat which is away from tree, which is hiding behind the stone. So which one is away from tree? This is. So we will give a tick on the cat which is away from tree. So we have given a tick. Next is nearest and farthest. Again nearest, est is added. That means this is superlative degree. Farthest. So among the three, which is here all these pictures we have done in nearer and farther. That means between two we are distinguishing, and here there is three things from which we are distinguishing, or more than two, actually more than two. So nearest, farthest, that is nearest is, see, farthest this girl from the swing, this is farther, and this boy is near to the swing, so this is nearest. So take the puppy farthest from the tree, that means very far away from the tree. Which one is far away from the tree? We have to take on it. So we are given a take on this, which is farther away from the tree. Next is stick the bird nearer to the tree. Which bird? The bird which is nearer to tree. Which tree? This tree. It is very nearer to tree. Tick the tree nearest to the bird. Sorry. Tick the tree nearest to the bird. Which tree is very near to the bird? Among the three, this tree is nearer to the bird. So we will give a tick on this. Now we come to this part, that is on, under, above, below. Look at the picture very carefully. See, on the table, that is, it is lying on the top of the table. Okay. Under the table means, see, the rat is lying under the table. See here, below the fan, this boy is lying below the fan. Okay. Then above the fan, that means, above the table, the fan is lying above the table. So we have a clear idea on between these four words: on, under, above and below. Now you can see, once again I repeat, which one is on the table. The cat is lying on the table. See, the cat is on the table, means on the top of it, the table, it is lying. Then the rat is lying under the table. That means it is lying under the table. And this boy, we can see from this picture also that this boy is lying on the table. It's standing on the table. Okay. Below the fan. This boy is below the fan. Above the table. Above the table, the fan is lying. This is the table and this is the fan. So it's lying above the table.